For you to upload your very first video, the first thing you need to do is open up a YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to open up a YouTube channel, I have made a detailed tutorial on how to open up a YouTube channel. Go check it out in my channel and make sure you watch that video. Having done that, let us proceed by uploading our very first video, step by step. So this is the interface of the YouTube channel I just created. For me to upload my first video, what I need to do is to click on this plus button. I'll click on this plus button. Then an option will be given to me. I want to upload video, short, live or post. Of course, I want to upload video. I'll click on I want to upload video. It will take me to my gallery. Let's say I want to upload this video. I'll click on it. When I click on it, I'll click on next. I'll click on this pencil icon here. I'll click on this pencil icon here to add my thumbnail. But I'm not adding thumbnail because this is just for tutorial purposes. I'll move to my title. I'll click on add title. This video is how to open a YouTube channel. I'll just type how to open a YouTube channel 2025 #SEO. It will bring me to the next one, which is add description. I'm expected to describe what my video is all about. Is it how to upload your YouTube video? I will describe it here. I'll now move to the next one, which is visibility. This my visibility. Did I want to publish it now? That is, make it public. Did I want to put it on schedule? If I put it on schedule, I'll put time, then YouTube will use their hand and do the work for me. Or did I want to put it on, set it as a premiere? So if I set it as a premiere, the advert will be seen everywhere. But nobody will be able to watch the video until I publish it. So did I want to put it on unlisted? Unlisted, the people that I share my link to that have the access to view the video. Did I want to make it on private? Private is just those people that I might call. I'll click on location. I'll click on location. When I click on location, I'll add Nigeria. I'll click add to playlist. If I want to add it to playlist, I'll add it to playlist. Playlist simply means anybody that want to watch my video, if I add it on playlist, the person will keep seeing my video, I can add as many as I want to a playlist and then put title to that playlist. So, altered content. Did I use anything made of AI? Did I make Broom to talk or anything, something of that stuff? No. I will click no that I did not do it. But if you make use of AI, you have to click yes. I'll come and click on allow audio and video remixing. This is me allowing people to watch and collect any part of my video. So I will click yes, but if you don't want to click yes, you can click no. So I will turn my comments on. After turning my comment on, I will click on next. When I come and ask me this video, is it meant for kid or not? Of course, it's not meant for kid. So I will click no, it's not meant for kid. After that, I will now upload my video. But I'm not going to upload this video because this is just for a tutorial purpose. Okay? So the next thing I'll be going now is to go and finish up the remaining thing in the desktop version of YouTube Studio. So we're going to do it together because there are other features there that are not here. So we're going to turn it on to browse to your video. I'll click on Chrome browser. I'll type www.youtube. I'll click on this first one. This interface will show get the app, continue to studio, click continue to studio. It will bring me to this interface, which is my channel dashboard. So all I need to do, if I want to upload my first video, I'll click on this create here. If I click on it, It will bring out this option for me. Do I want to upload video? Go live, create post. I'll click on upload video. It will tell me to select file. Select file here. So if I select my file, I will go ahead to my setting. Assuming I want to use this method, I will go to my setting and do exactly what I'm going to teach you now. But we are not using this method. We are using the method of uploading with app. So after uploading with the app, immediately you come to this place. All you need to know is to click on this 3 dotted line. It will show you setting. Click on setting. Then you are going to see all these options. You click on general. The only thing you are going to see on general is just your money. You move to channel. If you move to channel, you are going to see basic information. Under basic information, select country of residence. Click on it. You will now ask whether if this your video is it meant for kid or not. You select is not meant for kid. So when I click on channel, what I'm going to see there, the first one I'm going to see there is select country of residence. I'll collect my country of residence. Me, I'm in Nigeria. I'll just write Nigeria. I'll add my keyword, the keyword of this particular topic I'm doing. Okay, if you don't know how to add your keyword, just go to ChatGPT, type in the keyword of the particular topic you're doing on. It will bring it out for you. And make sure you add comma to your keyword. I'll now move to my upload default. I'll click on title, add the title of my video. I'll click on description. Click on description. I'll describe what the video is all about. I'll click on visibility. Remember, you have to do all these things in our YouTube app. So I'll add my tags. So when you start uploading your video here, if you start uploading your video, when you upload 2 to 3 videos, there are so many other features you are going to be enabled. Make sure you watch my video on how to upload video the right way, because I just created this channel for tutorial purposes. It did not contain all the features required. Some of the features that I am supposed to use, I cannot make use of them because this particular channel is just created for tutorial purpose. I did not do all the things required of me. So as a result of that, I cannot be able to use some of the features I am expected to use. So without wasting much of your time, I want you to make sure you watch my video on how to upload your video the right way, because that one we are going to do everything together. You'll see the practical aspect of it. So if this video has been of any value to you, and learn something from it, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if anything is confusing you, drop down your question on the comment section below. Bye bye and see you in my next video.